Good morning to all of you. Myself, Sawant Ajay Kumar Bhaskar, working as a assistant professor in Shiv Shankar College of Agriculture Engineering, Mirasgaon, affiliated by Mahatma Phule Krishi Vidyapit, Rahuri. Today, I am delivering lecture on farm power and automotive engine. This subject is very important for BTech agriculture engineering student, mechanical engineering student, as well as automotive engineering student. On the basis of this essentiality, I have make this lecture on classification of tractor. So first of all, based on type of construction, tractor is to become classified in two types, that is riding type tractor and walking type of tractor. What is meant by riding type tractor? Tractor in which a driver can sit and drive. That means the tractor which have facility for driver to sit and drive. This type of tractor is called as riding type of tractor. The example of riding type tractor is general purpose four-wheel tractor. The next one is walking type tractor. Tractor with which the operator walks along. Example of walking type tractor is garden tractor, power tiller. These are the two examples. In this picture, you will see the various examples of riding type tractor as well as walking type of tractor. Number first, number second, and number third. These three images indicate that this one is the riding type of tractor. Okay, these two images shows that this one is the walking type of tractor. That means the driver has no facility to sit on the driver's seat. Next one, based on type of drive. Again, track type tractors and wheel type of tractor. Track type tractor. In this type of tractor, instead of wheels, one track is lifted on either side. This track gets drive from the sprocket run by rear axle shaft to steer the tractor. There is not steering gear fitted. Second point, the tractor is steered by applying brakes to one side of the track with the other track moving. These are used for bulldozing or land clearing work. Next one is wheel type of tractor. These are most commonly used tractor in agriculture sector. They can run fast and wheel tires absorb a certain amount of field shock. This can also again classify in various types. These are the various examples of the bulldozers as well as four-wheel type tractor as well as track type of tractor. So instead of wheel, we have provided just there is a one track. Next one, wheel type of tractor is again classified in 2 to 3 types. That is number first, two-wheel tractor. These tractors are used for small farms, hilly area and gardening purpose, are called as the power tiller. Number second, three-wheel tractors. These tractors were very popular 15 years back, but now its place has been taken by four-wheel tractors. These tractor had single or dual wheel fitted at the front end in the center and were considered good for negotiable shorter turns. Number third, four-wheel tractors. These are most commonly used tractor in the country. These are also known as all-purpose tractors. On the basis of available power, these have been classified in three types. Number first, small tractor. Small tractors have range of HP is in the between 15 to 25. Then next one is the medium tractor. Range of their HP is in the range of 25 to 45 HP. And the last one is the large tractor. The range is to become more than 45 HP. These are the examples. This one is the example of four-wheel drive tractor. So last one is the based on purpose. We are again classifying two types, that is utility tractor and the all-purpose tractor. What is meant by utility tractor? It is a specific purpose field tractor and is designed for plugging, driving any other equipment through its PTO drive. It is not being manufactured at present in the country. That means utility type of tractor is to become not manufacturing presently in our country. So next one is the all-purpose tractor. It is designed in such a way that it can meet practically all the demands for agriculture purpose, such as ploughing, harrowing, leveling, pulling, seed drill, operating threshers and pumps through its PTO. These are provided with 3-point linkages. So all these points which are related to the classification of tractor. Next, orchard type tractor. These are special type of tractor used in orchard field. These are made very high in height so that driver while sitting on seat, the operation on tree could be performed. No part of tractor is protruded outside so that tractor can go easily in between trees safely. The next one is the garden tractor. These tractors are in the range of 1 to 10 HP and very small in constructions. These are mostly used for kitchen or vegetable gardens. Next one is a rototiller. These are walking type of tractor and are used in small fields or on hills where fields are very small and are at different levels where ordinary tractor cannot work efficiently. Tinder blades are fit to the tillers to operate the seedbed quite effectively by polarizing the soil. These are also used in rice field for puddling and other operation. Next one, earth moving tractor. These tractors are heavy in weight and strongly built, available both is tracked and tire type. These are used for earth moving work on dams, quarries and other constructional works. Okay, thank you.